With the president's upcoming announcement, KXAN politics reporter John Ingalls shows us how the debate over the Supreme Court is already having an impact on the Texas legislature and a renewed push for a controversial anti-abortion bill.
Republicans see the perfect alignment.
Texas's heartbeat bill failed to make it out of committee in 2019. It would have blocked abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, usually at about 6 weeks. But the death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg and a changing Supreme Court has some Republicans planning another go.
I think the time is, probably the best in Texas history.
Now running for state Senate, State Representative Drew Springer saying he would support the bill again, while its author, State Rep Briscoe Cain, said it's a great time to pass it. Texas's largest anti-abortion groups stayed away from the heartbeat bill last session, fearful courts would shoot it down.
They've got majorities for now, at least in the chambers. They've got the governor's mansion, lieutenant governor's position, and they've got a favorable situation in terms of the federal courts and state courts.
It's become a key issue for voters just weeks before early voting begins. Democrats need to flip just 9 seats in the Texas House to take the majority and prevent a heartbeat bill from ever getting off the ground.
We know that 2 out of the 3 landmark abortion cases came out of Texas, right? So this is ground zero for anti-abortion legislation.
Democrats know that this is the moment to be able to stop the Republicans from moving forward on virtually any kind of legislation that they think can pass.
John Ingalls, KXAN News.
Early voting begins October 13th and runs through October 30th. The deadline to register to vote is October 5th. About a dozen states have passed heartbeat bills since 2013, but the courts have consistently struck them down. Most recently, a federal judge ruled against Georgia's heartbeat bill in July, citing the Supreme Court's Roe v. Wade decision that permanently blocked the measure. That same month, Tennessee passed its own heartbeat bill. It doesn't have exceptions for rape or incest, but a federal judge blocked that law less than an hour after it took effect. Tennessee filed an appeal.